Guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, from today you will be seeing most of traveling and like motor vlogs. So I hope you like the videos from now onwards. So before traveling I thought why not to modify my bike. So guys, today I will be installing a good LED lights on my vehicle so that to get a clear vision while I'm traveling. So guys, let's quickly head towards the shop and install lights on my vehicle.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
So guys, today we are going to install HJJ lights onto our bike. So I heard very good reviews about this product. Guys, let's do a very quick unboxing. There's one cover here and oh, looks quite good. So guys, let's start fitting. Hello guys, now since we have installed the new HJJ lights on our bike, we have come here to a dark place to check the intensity of the lights. So dark and I'm hardly visible guys. Now let's switch on the lights and check the intensity of the light. So guys, this is how the lights look like. So we have installed the new lights and as you can see, so this is how the light look like. As you can see, almost the whole road is getting covered. So guys, this HJJ lights come in two colors. One is this white. For yellow we need to put this cap which comes like this. So guys, we put this cap. So guys, as you can see, one is white and one is yellow. So guys, there's another cap for that. I didn't put that cap so that you guys can see the difference between white and yellow. So this is yellow and that is white. So that was it guys. If you like the video, please hit on that like button, share and subscribe so that which helps the channel grow. Edit kar leta hu. Hello guys, so now we have installed the lights. So we have come to a dark place to test our lights.
पीछे लाइट तारा डार्क प्लेस का था
Yo.